Welcome to the Carnival Tycoon project. My name is Nathan Elder, STEM Explorer Coordinator at Delta College in Michigan. Carnival Tycoon is a probability and statistics STEM project covering many of the high school Common Core math standards in probability and statistics. Carnival Tycoon is project-based learning, something you may not be too familiar with in a math class, but we think this is a great way to teach concepts that can be sometimes rather abstract. Before we get into too many of the details of the Carnival Tycoon project, let's take a moment to learn a little bit about the Delta College STEM Explorer program. The STEM Explorer is funded by a grant from the Herbert H. and Grace A. Dow Foundation to promote interest in STEM careers in the Great Lakes Bay region in Michigan. From 2016 to 2020, we have serviced close to 40,000 teachers, students, and community members through one-day on-site middle school visits, community events, and long-term high school deep dive projects like the Carnival Tycoon project. We have conducted STEM projects in chemistry, physics, geoscience, biology, algebra 2, and even pre-calculus. Carnival Tycoon is our newest project and is now available in both face-to-face and online versions. The goal of this project is for students to understand the basic principles of probability and statistics as outlined in the Common Core math standards. Students will demonstrate this understanding by designing a carnival game that through careful statistical analysis can be proven to be a successful moneymaker for the carnival. Students will research and brainstorm, design and plan, build and test, collect data, analyze, modify, and retest until they attain the desired results. To conclude the project, students will pitch their carnival game idea to the fictional owners of the carnival for their consideration in the upcoming summer's carnival. The project takes approximately 6 weeks to complete. So let's dive in, shall we?